pal, Gus! He came! How cool is this? My elves brought this to us. I've never seen this one before, have you? Okay, so it looks like we have a note. Let's see what's inside. Maggie! Oh, he brought us some scissors. So, I wonder, whoa! Did you see this? I wonder what's inside of him. It kind of looks like Orbeez. Lots and lots of Orbeez. Should I cut them open? Comment below if I should cut them open. Okay, I'm gonna cut them open. Let's get ready for this. Millions of Orbeez. It looks like egg yolks. Jasmine, can you come here and make sure Bella doesn't eat these? Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna cut deeper. I'm gonna get to the eyeballs. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Sporella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching. And can you believe these millions of Orbeez were inside? I know I sure can't.